Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to enhance your pictures, especially if you have a picture of your face. You can make it look way better using Canva. So I'm going to show you how to do that. You go to applications and find the option called application called Enhancer, which it might be right here, but if it's not, then just go to the search bar and look for Enhancer. There you go. You open it and choose a file. Right now I'm using a the um, PewDiePie face. Why? Because I don't know. Here you can see how it looks. It doesn't look quite good. It's not a good resolution, a high resolution image. So let's see what the AI can do for us. It's like pretty surprising results you're going to see. So there you go. Add to design. Look, it's way better. It has like more. It's like HD. It's like actually closing his mouth a little bit, so it looks way better. The difference is huge. So if you guys want to make your pictures, your selfies look better, or use it for any project, you need to use pictures that are not great. Then you can use this app here on Canva. So this is like pretty solid result. So hope you guys enjoyed, and see you again next time.